Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up data upload from the Salesforce CRM system to eSputnik. This is necessary to automatically transfer new leads from Salesforce CRM to other systems. For example, in eSputnik, to create new contacts, each time a lead is added to Salesforce CRM, it is convenient to store, process and interact with them in every possible way in the future. Now let's move on to the setup. First you need to create a new connection. Next, you need to select the Salesforce CRM data source system. Then you need to select an action, Get New Leads. At this stage, you need to connect your Salesforce CRM account to the ApiX-Drive service. In this window, you must enter the login and password from your Salesforce CRM account. Next, you should receive a verification code by mail. Enter it in this field. When the connected account is displayed in the list, select it and click Continue. In this case, there are no additional settings, so just click Continue. At this stage, you can set up a data filter. In this case, there is no need for this, so we also click Continue. At this stage, you see test data for one of your leads in Salesforce CRM. If everything suits you, click Next. This completes the Salesforce CRM data source setup. Now you need to move on to setting up data ingestion. Choose eSputnik as the data receiving system. Next, you need to select an action, Add Email. At this stage, you need to connect your eSputnik account to the ApiX-Drive service. In this window, you must enter your login and password from your eSputnik account. When all the required fields are filled, click Save. When the connected account is displayed in the list, select it and click Continue. Now you need to select the address book to which data from Salesforce CRM will be transferred. Next, fill in the fields with variables from Salesforce CRM that will be transferred to eSputnik. In order to assign a variable, click on the field to which you need to transfer data and select the required variable from the drop-down list. When all the necessary data is assigned, click Continue. At this stage, we see the test data that will be sent to eSputnik. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to eSputnik. Go to your personal account and check the result. If everything suits you, we return to the ApiX-Drive service and continue the configuration. On this, the data reception setup has been successfully completed. Now you need to enable auto-update. Select the communication interval, for example, once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.